Here's Turley right now. Fox News contributor Jonathan, good morning to you, and welcome to our coverage. Here's the indictment. We used 3 sets of staples to put it together. It's about 100 pages in length here. You read it. What do you make of it?
It's excessive, and I think it's also dangerous. It essentially criminalizes challenges to elections. There's no sort of limiting principle in this document. You know, they are charging things like the president saying publicly we need to have a recount. You know, Democrats and Republicans challenge these elections routinely. I've covered elections for various networks, I don't know how many now, but we often, if not always, have these challenges. Some are more supported than others, but they're not crimes. They're seeking judicial review, and that assures the public that there's someone watching over these elections. What's concerning, particularly about this, is that Willis didn't really show any semblance of restraint. She indicted everyone for everything she could think of. It is sort of the Jackson Pollock school of prosecution. She threw it all against the canvas. And I think she is hoping that some of these other co-defendants will flip. But having said that, I think that the Trump team has to realize that this is a serious threat, not because of the merits, but because as a racketeering case, it's very hard to take these cases up on appeal before trial. It's very hard to get them dismissed on threshold questions. Willis will argue that she should have the right to present her evidence in trial in court. That is likely to be successful. Also, this is not a case that can be dismissed with a federal pardon, whether by Trump himself or by an elected Republican. That's why this has to be taken seriously.
What about the fact that you have the federal case that is of a similar nature, right? It's about January 6th, it's about election interference. And did she go for the RICO charge partly because that way the federal case can't supersede her own?
I think partially she went with the RICO charge is because she's quite familiar with it. This is a prosecutor who made her name bringing state RICO cases. Also, it allows for this type of overarching conspiracy. I mean, she is listing over 160 acts. They're often phone calls, meetings, tweets. She just calls them all criminal. She says that they all were knowingly false. And with that broad brush, she's able to indict everyone and bring in 19 people into that courtroom. That's the benefit of using a racketeering approach. But it also increases the danger for the country in terms of how we will handle contested elections in the future.
Professor, thank you. We have exactly 83 more questions for you. We're out of time today. Appreciate yours, and thank you, sir, for coming on today.
Thank you.
We'll talk soon. You bet.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.